Are you having financial troubles? Your career is messed up? You are unhealthy or lonely? And you feel that your life has no meaning? Then start doing meditation. Welcome to Yoga Fitness with Priyanka Sharma. So guys, stay tuned till the end of this video because I am going to give you a quick meditation exercise. Now, I would like to tell you the point of doing meditation. What is the point of doing meditation? It is to gain control over most precious tool, mind. The success and happy life, it depends on the state of mind. How does meditation helps to master our mind? By working on one of its key aspects, that is the important aspects, are attention. Many times we see that like the attention, if it is not going in the right direction, you may see that your mind is shrinking. Like you can tell attention is flashlight of consciousness, or in simple words it's a torch of mindfulness. For example, on whatever thing we put attention, it will grow. If we withdraw our attention, it begins to wane. I personally have noticed some of my clients don't have time for meditation. But after my clients started doing meditation, they have realized that they have more time in their day to day life. Like they have started spending time for themselves and they have gained a lot of clarity, like what they want in their life and what is important in their life and what is important to practice in day to day life. They stop spending time on a thing which truly doesn't matter or truly doesn't serve them. Now, let's see what are the benefits of meditation. There are three benefits of meditation, which includes mental benefits, health and physical level benefits, spiritual benefits. Let's first see what are the mental benefits. Meditation brings the pattern of brain waves to alpha level, which increase the speed of healing. Meditation cleanses and nourishes the inner form of brain. When you are anxious, unstable, and emotionally disturbed, meditation calms you down. It reduces anxiety or stress. It improves emotional stability. It brings creativity. Then it increases happiness. Also, you will see a mental peace and clarity. Now, if we see health and physical level benefits, due to meditation, there are special changes in the internal activities of the body, and every cells of the body is filled with prana tattva. With the increase of spirituality in the body, communication of happiness, peace, and enthusiasm also increase. Would like to add up is you can't be in meditative avastha directly. You will end up with lot many thoughts initially. It needs a lot of practice. On physical level, if we see is energy level increases due to advancement in internal source of energy, and our immune system also improves. There is an overproduction of serotonin hormone which improves your mood and behavior. It decreases hypertension. In spiritual level, benefits are like there is no religion of meditation and those follow and any ideology can practice it. Second is meditation can truly bring personal change in you. The more you know about yourself, the more naturally you will discover yourself. Now, let's see how to experience meditation benefits. Obviously, you have to practice regularly to realize benefits of meditation, at least minimum 1 month. I am guaranteeing you meditation will become the best part of your daily routine. I can say you meditation is like seed. When you grow a seed with love, it blossoms as much. So friends, as we discussed earlier that we are going to take a quick meditation practice at the end of the video. So let's begin. Sit in a comfortable posture and close your eyes. We will meditate or concentrate on our breath. You will feel cool air going in, warm air coming out. Prepare yourself. So, this is a preparation of a meditation. And count in your mind, inhale, exhale is one count. This way we will count at least 10 in our mind. Inhale, exhale 2. Inhale, exhale 3. Inhale, exhale 4. Inhale, exhale 5. Inhale, exhale 6. Inhale, exhale 7. Inhale, exhale 8. Inhale, exhale 9. Inhale, exhale 10. So friends, this is a beginning of training your mind. The moment you will train your mind, you'll be more focused, more attentive towards your breath. And then eventually or gradually meditation will start happening. And then you will see, today we did only for a minute. Maybe after week, you will see the improvement. You will see the time of your meditation will also increase. So I hope, friends, you will practice this at your place and let me know in the comment box that this was useful or no. Namaste, stay blessed.